In this video I'm going to be installing this magnetic phone mount. So let's get out of the box. So how it works is it comes with some sticky metal plates and a magnetic mount. What you first have to do is stick this mount to your dashboard and then stick one of these plates behind your phone, or just simply insert it behind a thin case. So let's first stick this on, because it takes a few seconds to fully stick on. So just clean off any dust off your dashboard, and what we need to do is peel the back of this and just stick it on. I like to do it right here. Right, once it's on, press it firmly and then just position it whichever angle you want. Give it an hour to dry, but just for the purpose of this video I'm just gonna stick my phone on and see how it holds. So this is my phone, and as you can see I've got a clear case on here, so I'm simply going to insert the metal plate behind this, and conveniently it's got a blow film on there which just matches the color of my phone. So, and now it should just stick onto it just like that. So, and you can just angle this towards you to prevent any glare on your phone. And there we are. A quick tip: when you remove your phone, instead of pulling it off, push it downwards. That way it's gonna not pull the mount off. But to be fair, it's stuck on there now. Thanks for watching.